Hello everyone, welcome to the Katalon studio. My name is Mohit Kumar, and in this video I'm going to show how Katalon studio is handling Shadow DOM. Katalon studio 8.5.2 alpha is actually providing support of the Shadow DOM. So let me show you my test application first. This is my test application. I will go to the home page, and if I will go and find the DOM behind this application, you can see the Shadow DOM levels here. This is my targeted element, and it's coming here in this the first shadow DOM, and it's again coming inside this shadow DOM. So it's a two-level shadow DOM. If I will go inside this application, anything like if I will click on this and go to the inspect, and if I will see the property, it's again coming inside this shadow DOM. So most of the elements are there inside the shadow DOM. If I will go and show the property for this one, it's main tag shell full zip is coming in a first level shadow DOM, then it's a second level shadow DOM, and then it's a third level shadow DOM. Same thing if I will go to the checkout page, this checkout is again coming into the multi-level shadow DOM. So I am going to record this flow by using Katalon Studio. So let's go back to the Katalon Studio, click on the recorder, pass your test application here, click on record. Your application is here on the browser. First thing, I'm going to verify this text, then clicking on the shop now, I can verify this one also, and I can click on this. I can select some value for the size and the quantity from the drop down, and then I can make a click on the cart. I can cancel this one, and if you want to add some more steps, you can go to this one, again verify some text from here, make some click, and accordingly you can select some value from here. Okay, so I will pause my recorder, and finally I can save this script by clicking on save button. I will create a folder inside the object repository. Okay, it's here, and now all objects saved inside the folder. Now I can give the name of the test case. Okay, clicking on OK, it's here, and let me run this test case first. And I can do one more thing, I can add the maximize keyword here so that I can see the execution in a maximize mode. Saved, and let's run it on a browser. Okay, okay, now it's opening browser for me, maximizing it, and verify this text first, clicking on this shop now, first clicking, then going to the main t-shirt, and finally your test case got pass. So if I will show you how the Katalon is handling the shadow DOM, as this shop now is inside the shadow DOM, just click on it, open this one, and here you can say it's have a parent object is selected by default the shadow DOM. If you will click on it, it will show you the shadow DOM. If this object is again having the shadow DOM, it will again show you the next object. So this is, you can see your parent one, this is the first child, and this is the second child. Accordingly you can open any object also, like if I will go and open this which one, add to cart. This is, you can see the first one here, this object again have one shadow DOM, and this is the last one, this is two level shadow DOM. So that is how Katalon is handling the shadow DOM. Yeah, thank you.